Your mind feels heavy, but nothing big is happening. So what exactly is stealing your peace? Mental clutter, the invisible pileup of half-thoughts, unfinished loops, low-grade worries, and silent background tension. It is not always one crisis. Often, it is 10 tiny open tabs in the mind, all whispering at once. That is why you can feel tired before the day even starts. Your brain is carrying too many unresolved signals. The good news, clutter can be reduced faster than most people think. Use a 10-minute thought cleanup. Minute 1 to 3, dump everything, write it all down, fast, messy, no structure. Tasks, worries, conversations, reminders, fears, unfinished ideas, get it out of your head and onto paper. Why? Because the brain is for processing, not for holding everything at once. Minute 4 to 6, sort the mess into 3 buckets: act, schedule, release. If it needs action, define the next visible step. If it matters later, assign a time. If you cannot control it, mark it for release. This step matters because confusion creates stress, while categories create calm. Minute 7 to 8, close one loop immediately. Send the text, add the reminder, put the item in the calendar, throw the paper away, finish one tiny thing. Completion gives the brain a closure signal. That signal feels like relief. Minute 9, body reset. Long exhale, drop the shoulders, unclench the jaw. Your mind clears faster when the body stops acting like danger is near. Minute 10, choose one priority for the next block of your day. Not 10. 1. The point is not to become perfectly organized. The point is to stop scattering yourself. And here is the hidden truth. Peace is often not created by adding something. It is created by clearing what never should have stayed open this long. Mental clutter drains energy because it keeps your attention partially occupied all day. But when the loops close, even a little, the nervous system softens, focus returns, the day feels lighter. So, if your mind feels crowded, do not assume you need more effort. You may just need 10 honest minutes of cleanup.